Think you can handle the terrifying noises and creepy creatures that await you in Woodridge's scariest woods? Hawthorne Hill Woods will be transformed into a thrill of scary scenes for those who dare. See what you're made of on Friday, October 28th and Saturday, October 29th from 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. If you're a scaredy cat, you can walk through the haunted woods in the daylight from 1 to 3 p.m. on Saturday. The cost is $7 per person for the evening walk and $5 per person for the afternoon walk. See you at the Haunted Forest Walk, if you dare.